In this project, we're going to make two characters meet and talk to each other. Remember to save your project as meet and greet by your name before we start. First, tap the background button. Choose the city background, then tap the checkmark button. If you don't want the scratch cat, delete the default character by pressing and holding. Tap the red X button when it shows up. Now let's add some characters. Tap the plus button on the left side. Pick a character you like and tap the checkmark button. If you deleted the cat, make sure to add two characters so they can meet each other. Drag your characters to where you want them to stand in the city. Let's start by programming the frog. Tap the yellow button and drag the Start on Bump block into the code area. Then tap the purple button and drag the Save block. Tap the white box to type what you want your frog to say. I'll make the frog say, "Oh hi dog." Next, tap the yellow button again and drag the Closed Envelope block. Then tap the red button and drag the End block. Now let's program the dog. The frog's code starts when it gets bumped, so we need the dog to move toward the frog to make that happen. Tap the yellow button and drag the green flag block into the code area. Then tap the blue arrow button. Pick the arrow that points toward the frog. That might be left or right depending on where your dog is. My dog is on the left side, so I'll use the right arrow block. Turn on the grid to see how many steps the dog needs to reach the frog. If it takes 8 steps, change the number under the block to 8. Then drag in the end block to finish that part of the code. Now we'll make the dog reply when it gets the message from the dog. Tap the yellow button again and drag the Open Envelope block that matches the same color as the one you used for the frog. These envelope blocks are how characters send and receive messages to each other in Scratch Junior. Then tap the purple button and drag the Save block. Tap what you want your dog to say. Mine says woof woof. Finish with the end block. Now let's run the program. Tap the green flag at the top. Nice work! You just made your characters greet each other using block coding. Now try to make it even better. You could even add another character or a dance after they say hello.